Hello, welcome to SuperHi Graphics. First, let's take a look at the intro.
Delete what you have on your screen. Okay, come here, let's set the background. Then you come to from gallery, the background that I want to make use of. I had it downloaded, so here is it. It's more like a WhatsApp background page, so I'll choose one-to-one, just like that, anywhere of the page. Okay, here I have it on my screen. The next thing I'll do now is just to bring in the food item that I want to make use of. So everything here in this design is basically about how to arrange items together to make a very beautiful graphics without necessarily doing so much. So let me search for let's make use of this. Okay, reduce the size of this and position it somewhere here. Now the next thing that I'm going to do now is go back again and bring in like a phone. As a PNG phone, there are lots of them. Let me make use of this one. Okay, just like this. So I'll just reduce the size of this, rotate it a little like this, place it somewhere here, just like this. You can see this. Okay, good. Now let me just bring in another item, which is basically this thing is just to illustrate a food that you can order online by making use of maybe WhatsApp, Instagram, and anything at all. So I'll bring in WhatsApp. Okay, this design is made majorly for food vendors that can't afford to pay a graphic designer and just do something quick on their own. So I'll place something like this here, just duplicate it, reselect, search for Instagram. Trying to get the icon like Instagram icon. Let me go and search. Let's make use of this. So you reduce the size of this one also. Just do something like this. Let's make use of a specific size. Let's say, okay, this is fine. This one also size. Okay, you can see 11 to 11. Then you bring it here. Bring this here, bring this here, so rotate it a little, just like that. So having done all of this, the next thing is just to add a text to it. Let's say this time we're typing top taste fast delivery, something like that. So let me type in taste first. Okay, bring it in, increase the size. Let's go get a font. Trying to get a very stylish font that will fit into what I'm designing. Okay, let's make use of this fantastic personal use, just like this. Okay, that you can see it, but some part of the T is cut out, so I'll come to paddling and just space it a little. Okay, good. Position it somewhere here like this. Come and type in another text. This time we are typing top. Okay, let's make it a capital letter. And just sorry about that. Let's bring this one. Bring this one here. Bring it to this side. Then you can come and reduce the size. Let's make it a size of 30. Okay. Position and position it properly. You can see that. Good. Now it's now top taste. Let's duplicate this. But let's just type in fast delivery, since the message you are trying to communicate is letting them know that okay, they can do a quick online order and delivery. Okay, that let's bring it here. Now let's get a font for it. Font. You are using the same font, so you just come under recent here. Okay, that, and just move it like this, closer to under this place. You can give it some part of the first letter is cut out again, so you just give it some paddling to create the space, just like that. So move it closer like this. Now you can see the message: top class, top taste, fast deliveries. So let's add some things to spice it up. Let's say like green leaf pepper and all of that. Okay, here I have it. So just bring this in. You can reduce the size to something like this. Rotate it a little. Let's come and position this one here. Duplicate it. Bring this one down here. Duplicate it again, and just rotate it to something like this. Your style of rotation can be different, but just place something like this. Then you can duplicate that again to something like reducing the size. Can be something like this. Okay, good. Now let me just duplicate that. We select, and this time around I'll search for leaf. Okay, here I have it. Let me use a portion of this, something like this. Okay, let's bring this here. Take it something like this. And just position it here. Just duplicate that. And just rotate it the other way around again. Position it somewhere here. You can see this. Good. duplicate this and just bring it somewhere here. Something like this. Good. Now to wrap up this design at the base here, let me add some things. Let's say this is a style of design again. Everything in graphics, it's a concept, so let's just use this as a concept. Okay, and just come and position this one somewhere here like this. You can see this. You can make it longer to cover the page. Just position this here. Okay, you can use your positioning tool to center it like this. Okay, just like that. Now excuse me, this time around let's just bring in something like, let's say, location. That's to state the address. Okay, bring it here, reduce the size and just send it down. Now let's change the color so as you can see it very well. Let's make use of this color. This color. Let me give us a color code. The color code is F4ECD7. F4ECD7. That's the color code right here. Okay. So now let's reduce the size to fit into the portion we have for it. So let's reduce it to, like, let's say 5. Now position it properly. Just like that. Okay, now we type in the address. Let's just say something like Surulere, Lagos. Let's add a number to it. So let's say number 24, Surulere, Lagos. Okay, just reduce the size, bring this down here. I'll come to layer to enable me click it and use my positioning to arrange it properly. Something like this. Okay, so I can just click out, duplicate this again as the location, duplicate it, and this time around just put something like, let's say, WhatsApp or phone number. Let me put, let's make use of this. Okay, so I'm making use of the same color, so you reduce it. Let's check the size. This is size 6. Let's reduce it to like 5. Okay, and just position it. Just like that. So let's duplicate this text, duplicate it, edit it, and enter the phone number. Let's say this time around +234. So let's say this is the phone number. Okay, just bring it down here. And in the case of a website, you can just move the items, creating space for your website and anything like that. So yes, you've just made a very beautiful design, and if there is any other information, you can create space to add them. But with this, you've created an illustration in the mind of your buyer that, okay, your food can be ordered online. The uniqueness of it is just this. is the phone and the spicing up of the design. So if this was really helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I'm posting more videos like this. Thank you for watching and God bless you.